Craving for something warm, tasty and easy to cook on a chilly or rainy day? The Seer Fish Fry recipe is perfect for it. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Let's get started. In a wide plate, take 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, tablespoon of coriander powder, half a tablespoon of cumin powder, half a tablespoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, and I have also used half a tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and juice of half a lemon. To this I am adding 3 tablespoons of water and 2 drops of oil. I am using coconut oil for this recipe and giving it all a good mix. Now place the washed seer fish slices in the plate and rub the spices into the fish so that everything gets coated well. After applying the spice paste on all the slices, allow it to rest for 30 to 40 minutes. After marinating, heat up a pan, add enough oil to shallow fry the fishes. I have used about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil is hot enough, gently place the fish on the pan. If the oil is hot, the marinade will not leave the fish. Now cook each side for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, gently flip over the fish and cook the other side for 2 minutes. Once both the sides are cooked well, transfer it onto a separate plate. Be gentle when flipping the fish and transferring, as the fish pieces are soft and delicate and may tend to break easily. Now garnish this with some fried garlic or curry leaves and serve it with hot rice and rasam. Hope you found this video useful. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Thank you for watching.